We're watching this live right now.
This is the Hurricane
Holy
Wilma.
moly.
That was our shed.
What, Ian?
Right out there. It's not that clear because it's up against
Oh my
the
God,
window.
it's coming your way. There it goes. Oh my God, it's slipping over the fence. Whoa, we have it all. Gary's videotaping it right now. Oh my God, Ian, this is unreal. It's going in our backyard. It's going to go to our neighbor's house right now. And everything in it is, we see. That's ours. Our whole shed's coming your way, baby. Wait about 2 seconds. Oh my God, and everything inside of it we see now. The whole shed is gone, Ian. It's going to be out of our backyard in about 2 minutes. Oh my God. We're watching it just over her fence. It's unreal. Now it's stuck on one part, but it's almost all. It's unbelievable. Well, guess what? Our front door is swinging wide open right now, and we lost half of the front roof of the aluminum top.
Yeah, so this is the back. As soon as this.
So now we're looking at the back. Yep, there goes the fence. We have our.
And Troy's shed was right over there.
Our neighbor.
His shed already took his.
Our neighbor's shed is already gone. There's a hole there where his was, and now we're watching ours go. There it goes. There goes one more piece. Oh my God, it's gonna knock our fence down even. Ooh, our front door is swinging wide open, like if you were, look, you know, if you were my neighbor.
This is a tornado.
This is a tornado. We're going through a tornado, we think. Oh my God.
All right, go away.
This is unbelievable.
You don't make for good audio.
Right.
Look at this mother turning itself out.
This is unreal, Ian. This is unreal. I told you our front door is open. Gary keeps trying to run out there and shut it, and half the roof is off now. We're watching our.
That's all our Christmas stuff, our
wicker
Halloween
furniture
stuff.
is just spinning in the front room.
All the stuff that shouldn't be outside is now outside.
Oh my God.
That's our pumpkin. You can see our pumpkin over there.
If you get a pumpkin come your way, a big old plastic pumpkin, it's mine. Grab it because it's about to go flying. I'm serious.
Here, we're gonna have to show you. There's a lazy Oreo. He ain't scared of nothing.
Pumpkin, I want it. It's mine.
Yeah, here's the front. Okay.
And I'm laying on my rug just looking at the
Okay.
backyard.
See the roof gone.
Oh my God.
Full of water. I'm sure there's all kind of trees gone.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying oh my God. I'm not gonna say oh my God anymore. Okay, I'll call you right back. Bye. I can't believe that. That was unbelievable. That was like the best thing I've ever seen. I mean, not the best thing, but I mean.
Oh yeah, it was great seeing all your possessions blow away, Jody. That's great.
No, they're still there. It's just the whole shed was just got sucked up
Woo!
and taken
It was
away
woo!
from us.
And no sooner did I say,
Oh my God.
I can't believe our shed's still standing. It comes
But then it
up
was
square.
stuck in the corner for a while.
But it came up
and then it just went
completely
straight
square.
up in
Yeah.
the air and started. And I'm going, oh
Yep.
my God! It was flying in the air and then it landed in his backyard.
This is insanity.
And we still have this big piece. Wonder where Troy's is. This guy's gonna wake up tomorrow morning and have two sheds in his
he's got everybody's
backyard.
shed in his backyard.
Oh my
But
God!
look at that quality shed right there. That sucker ain't going nowhere. That thing is strapped
Both of them
down.
are.
Quality.
Yeah, but her tree's about to go in that backyard, the one that she always has.
But you see that fence? See that fence is standing right? Because I built it.
Yeah.
I built that fence. Even that swinging gate that's swinging. I built
I hope
it.
that lasts.
Holy jeez. I think that also whacked our phone line maybe. No, phone line's still flying. Still flying.
Unreal.
Wow. Okay, we're out.
I'm just checking out. That's unreal. Don't go farting on me.
I'm videoing.
I know, I'm just looking, but don't fart.
This is it. was our iguana that seeks. It's a Cuban, kind of Cuban lizard. He's in the house seeking shelter in the front room there. He didn't know what the hell was going on. He's scared as shit. Yeah, it's okay, buddy. All the wind's over. Huh. Hurricane day 3, Wednesday. Project for today is getting rid of all this stuff. Is a shed load away. Load away. There's where my shed stood. See all this stuff here. Got a mess on my hands. All my stuff, look at that. Show you outside where the shed landed. Also broke the fence. Here, popped the fence off with a thingamajigger. Pop this off here. Broke this, see? Sheared it right off of the lot. Yeah. Holy cow! Shed was here. Someone came and got it. Yeah. Palm trees. Look at that, fresh. 2 days later, fresh growth. Amazing. Yep.